I'm out here with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 doing a bike vlog. I'm on my Cannondale Adventure 2 with my DJI Mic 2 on me, and I have the Osmo Action 5 Pro in the back pocket. And here I am just, doing a daily vlog in hand. I got a nice helmet and I got the Adventure 2 by Cannondale. I got a little rub, so I think maybe the disc brake pads are giving a little. I don't know. I don't use my Pocket 3 as much as I do. I basically use my Action 5 Pro more than I do. And I'm not sure if I take it out enough. Well, I know on foul weather days, it's not the best camera in the world, but low light shot, you got that 1-inch sensor. And that's what you want to use this camera for. Well, when I do reviews and have it in the park, I got a little bit of a focus hunt. And I heard that they fixed it. I haven't gone back yet. I'm on the new firmware. And I gave a talk on my last one. And here we are today doing that afternoon ride. If I have any focus hunting issues. I don't really have the continuous focus hunt issue with the camera in hand. I have it always when I'm on a tripod, being out there trying to focus on the background and not me. Look at the birds, the squirrels, and in there are raccoons, but not now. Okay, I think I know what's happening to my camera because I loaded firmware. DJI basically resets things on you and they don't tell you when you do a firmware update. Remember to write down your settings before you do and correctly put them back on. DJI is already known and well aware, and rest assured that it's not their fault, but it's yours. Well, the wind's kicking and I'm not going fast, and I got a low tire. My back tire, the air just seemed to go out. Did I run over a nail? Did I lose air because it got cold? I don't know. I got a while to get home and I don't have an inflator with me. So on that note, I'm gonna start to put you away, lock you on the bike, and get on going where I need to be at. Well, you know who I am again. I am Fish. I thank you for coming along and listening along, and catch you on another bike ride with the Pocket 3.